Almost every company and their employees are on LinkedIn. So if you're not on LinkedIn, you are missing out. Here are the 3 simple ways that you can use LinkedIn to get a job today. Number 1, optimize your profile. That's an absolute must. If your profile is optimized, recruiters and hiring managers will be able to find you. And best of all, it will often be for positions that haven't even been posted yet. I've helped over 5,000 professionals land their dream job, and I will say that most of my clients find their job positions this way. They are one of the first people that the recruiters or hiring managers see, and that's what you want. 2, connect with recruiters and hiring managers. You need to know how to go about it though. If you have your heart set on working for a specific company, reach out and connect with someone from there today. Now, this does not mean that you should hound them. You don't ever want to do that. But sending a simple message that says, "Hi, I work within construction management and I thought it made sense for us to connect," is a surefire start. Plus, when a position opens up and they start their search to find potential candidates that would be a match, who do you think they're going to see? Well, the first people they will see will be their connections. So please, please, please go ahead and connect away. Number 3, job listings. Many companies use LinkedIn as their own personal job board. Countless positions are posted every single day. And what's great is that LinkedIn allows you to customize your search down to a T, specifying the region, the position type, the length of time the position has been listed, the number of applicants, you name it. Set up alerts, apply with your profile, attach your resume, and voila. With LinkedIn, there's even more you can do to get yourself noticed. You can share industry-specific posts, join groups, follow companies. When I tell you that LinkedIn is a fantastic tool, I mean it. And just remember, for any of these tips to work, your LinkedIn profile has to be in tip-top shape. And here's a little secret. You can do this easily with some targeted keywords, a specific work history, and an expanded network. All you really need is a little coaching. So check out my free workshop listed below for more information to help you navigate today's job market. It's absolutely free and it's jam-packed with information. Be sure to also subscribe to my channel here so that you don't miss out on any exciting news about the job search. So go ahead and get registered for that workshop below this video, and I look forward to seeing you there. Trust me, it won't disappoint.